Let's install the Jeep Wrangler JL tailgate folding table. First, remove the original tailgate trim. The decorative plate is a snap link, which is pulled out directly. Step 2, let's put the original car on top. Follow the video to remove the screws. There are 2 M8 screws in the package, 2 M6 screws, 2 M5 screws. Install the metal plate of the tailgate. Let's put it on the tailgate. These 2 screws are M5. Then this screw is M6. This screw is M8. This screw is also an M6. This one is M8. Install as stated in the video. Let's open this shelf. There are 3 mounting holes on it, the following 3 mounting holes. The bottom 3 screws are M8, the above 3 are M6. Then our shelf is installed. When closing, fold this bottom plate back first. Then first take back the left board, take back the right one. Bring it later. Close with dowel pins. After we install this shelf, let's take this telescopic rod. Lock it with this hoop. Our product comes with such a package. What about this bag? Is it camping light? Camping lights can be remote controlled. Then plug in our trunk cigarette lighter and it's done. And then what about this lamp? It's installed in this telescopic pole. And then when not in use, we can put this bag away, hang on this expansion panel behind our this. Then here you can expand the equipment you want. Let's fix this camping light on our telescopic pole. Loosen to the right to elongate. You can pull it out. After pulling it out, you twist to the left and it locks. There is a cigarette lighter plug on the extension cord of the lamp. We can plug it into that trunk. Then we can make our remote control this light. Let's learn how to use it. Let's open the clasp. Then turn the above one over. Turn on both sides. There is one with a snap. Stuck it here. Then our shelf opens. For example, if you put something on the table, there can be 2 layers that can be used. And then we want to cook. Can put this stove. It can be placed on this shelf. And then let's do both. There are windshields.